Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Oh, awesome. S Plus, S10 Plus. Hoi, oi, 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 oi. Wow. It doesn't just stand out, it stands apart. Completely redesigned to remove interruptions. No touch, no distractions. Precise laser cutting and a dynamic AMOLED screen that's easy on the eyes. Make the infinity display almost innovative yet. Simply touch the glass to unlock the phone. Ultrasonic in-display fingerprint ID protects and unlocks with the first touch, and this works awesome. And it's easy to use. You only have to use your finger, push on the screen, unlock, job's done. Size up the next generation. Oh, you can choose if you want to buy the Galaxy S10 Plus out of 128GB, 512GB like this, or 1TB. This is a huge range of power. Not of power, of storage. Power is all in. Next generation performance and power. Oh, wireless power share lets you charge Galaxy devices or even a friend's phone right from your device. This, I think, is a killer application on it. You can use your smartphone, so your Galaxy S10, and you can dock or lay down some other stuff with, I think it is QR, standard connection, on it, and it will reload your other devices. For example, another phone. Nice. Stream and share wherever life takes you. Intelligent Wi-Fi, reach faster speed with Wi-Fi 6, connecting reliable and secure even on public networks. And it seamlessly switched to LTE to hit incredible data speed up to 2.0 gigabit per second. This is fast. And it's a total game changer. They have engineered both hardware and software to give the new performance enhanced gaming with minimal lag. Experience seamless gaming with up to 1TB of storage, 8 GB of RAM, and a lightning fast of 855 Snapdragon processor. Oh, awesome. Pro-grade multi-camera, see what you see. A full kit of lens built right in. The multi-camera puts pro-grade cameras in your pocket to make your photos, selfies and videos effortlessly, epic and instantly shareable. And this cam is not so godlike like the cam from the let me think, Huawei P80 or something. This was that was a cam. But this cam is awesome too. It's a little bit better than the cam of my iPhone. Capture the wider world. Use the ultra-wide camera to take stunning cinematic photos with a full field of vision, just like the human eye can deliver. Store more, do more with up to 1TB of storage. Shoot all the selfies, birds, and 4K videos you need without running out of room. A smarter cam for better photos. Pro Assist knows what you are looking at and can offer a suggestion and adjusting settings to help you get the epic shots with a tap. Yeah, intelligence adapts to you so you don't have to adapt to it. daily rituals elevated. Bixby routines suggest frequently used apps and takes based on time or locations to develop a natural smart experience just for you. And if you're going to switch it on, you can choose first the language, what you are talking about. So then you can start and get into your local wireless network. And of course, you can enter a SIM card. You will need a Nano-SIM for it. But you can use another SIM, a second SIM as you like. Or you can push a Nano-SIM plus an storage device to it, like a microSD card placed on the upper side as seen here. If you done this, you have more power because of the SIM card, because the power will get you into your mobile access, and for example, you can dock more space out of it by using a second card, for example, a second SIM card or a microSD card. Seamless connected to Galaxy. Unlock the S10 true potential with buds. Oh, with buds. Galaxy S10 is just the beginning. You can use different types of it. You can buy not glasses, watches, for example, or other stuff, wearables, and you can share it with this Galaxy S10. That means you have a nice design and high performance and super nice camera, an intelligent system, and if you like, some accessories. This is a nice telephone, I think. Really, really nice. And it's so easy to dock in it. Only switch it on, you have one volume up, volume down button, you have a Bixby button and a power off and on button. And as you can see, SIM card installation is easy, and then you are going to have the first boot sequence. After you run the setup, you are at the system. Yeah, we are in the system now. And here you can see nice screen, easy handling. As you can see, you can use it like Android before. And now let's go to camera. We are going to see what's the camera on board here. The multicam with ultra wide camera. You have a Bixby button, of course, too. You have an 8 megapixel RGB depth camera, 10 megapixel selfie camera. On the side, what is looking at you self, and the outer side, like here, is 16 megapixel ultra wide camera, 12 megapixel wide angle camera, and 12 megapixel telephoto camera. That means you have so much in your pocket. It is an extraordinary dual aperture camera that isn't afraid of the dark. The dark mode is awesome too. Dual power brings you the action. Oh, here you can see 5 lenses, 0 lens backs. Nice and easy. Different options to use the cam and all other things. Nice LCD, nice feeling if you're touching the Galaxy S10. I like it, and I think it's one of the best smartphones on the market. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.